Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another video of Quick Guide. This video is not gonna be like every other tutorial video. This is more like an informative video from Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to talk about how the Facebook friend suggestion system actually works. So without wasting any more time, let's dive right into this exciting content. You can see friend suggestions into your Facebook if you are using Facebook for quite some time. But how does all the Facebook friend suggestions come from? Actually, Facebook algorithm uses metrics such as mutual friends, contacts, profile data, and location to suggest friend. Is this hard to understand? Let's make it simple. Actually, Facebook algorithm sees your current city and school or work. It is called your profile information and networks. Depending on this, Facebook will suggest the friends nearby you and also your Facebook activity like joining the groups or being tagged into some photos or posts that is similar to other people's. There are slight chances that Facebook will recommend you that friends. That is called friend suggestion. This way, depending on your choices, habits, and your interest into Facebook algorithm will show you some specific person to send friend request to. This is called the suggestion of Facebook, and this is called the friend suggestion of Facebook. I hope this video was very informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss any future update like this. Thank you for watching.